on this week is Anti-Bullying Week. The theme is Power for Good. That means using our actions and words to help others and make our school a safe, happy place. Today we're going to show you what bullying can look like and how our school values can stop it. At St. Brigid's, we understand bullying by using TRIP. T for targeted, if you're picked or left out on purpose. R for repeated when behavior happens again and again. I stands for intent when it's done deliberately to cause harm. P stands for psychological, emotional, or physical harm when it hurts someone's feelings, mind, or body. TRIP helps us understand what bullying is, but our school values help us learn our behaviour and treat people kindly. This is Ellie, the empathy officer. She reminds everyone to care about how others feel. This is Coco, the kindest kind girl. She teaches us how to be kind to everyone. This is Ralph, the respectful rabbit. He shows us how to treat others with respect. This is Rio, the responsible raccoon. He helps us make good choices. This is Hugo, the honest hedgehog. He reminds everyone to always tell the truth. Hello, we are school counsellors. We help make sure everyone's school feels safe and happy. If you see or experience bullying, you can talk to us. We use our school values every day to set a good example. Together we can make our school a safe, happy place where everyone is treated fairly. This is our playground football pitch. Everyone should have fun, but sometimes children use unkind words. This is what bullying can look like. Remember TRIP, targeted, repeated, intending, and causing physical harm.
Phil, that's it. Sorry, Phil. Shut up, you're rubbish at football. Don't pass him, he'll ruin it. I was just trying to help. You always mess up. Go away. Oh, shut up and stop whining. Actually, I hate being on their team.
The player has been targeted again and again. Words are repeated and intended to hurt. This causes emotional harm. This is bullying. Bullying can be stopped when we use our power for good. Our school values, empathy, kindness, respect, responsibility, and honesty can change everything. Let's see that football game again, this time with our school values.
Handball, my fault. It was so pass, you'll get it next time. Are you okay? Don't worry, it happens to all of us. Thanks for understanding, I'll try again.
Let's make sure everybody gets it right.
Let's play by the rules and try to go fair.
Look how much happier everyone is when they use their values. No one feels left out, everyone has fun, that's the power for good. I'll be kind like Coco the kangaroo. I'll show empathy like Ellie the elephant. I'll be respectful like Ralph the rabbit. I will be responsible like Ray the raccoon. I will be honest like Hugo the hedgehog. I will speak up and tell others if I see bullying. I will use my power for good every day. Remember TRIP. T for targeted. R for repeated. I for intended. P for psychological, emotional, or physical harm. I guess that those things happen all together, not just one small argument. But every one of us can stop it by using our school values.